Hey everyone, welcome to WH Productions. This time we are going to be making a proper sized YouTube banner or YouTube channel art. This will be in the proper size, meaning that a lot of people are having trouble with just setting up their YouTube banner. So this is going to be the proper size and format that will be visible on all three devices: tablet, mobile phone, and your computer. This was a video that was requested by one of my viewers. So let's get straight to the video. So in order to make this banner, first of all, we would need a document size of 2560 by 1440 pixels. You can select this from this file and selecting new 2560 by 1440 pixels. This will be the maximum size for the banner. So now what I'm going to do is I already have my assets imported over here. So I'm just going to drag and drop a few things over here. This is the, you can say that this is the background. You can select any background from a free background or anything that you want, which is plain and it follows your color theme. So in order to make this YouTube channel banner, then you have to follow your specific color theme. I'm going with blue for this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a few changes to this and select this hue and saturation. I'm going to select Alt on my keyboard and hover between these two layers and I will see this icon. So I'm just going to click this so that this is applied only on this layer. So I'm going to change a few settings over here. I'm going to first of all change the saturation. Then I'm going to change the lightness. And I think that this is good enough. So next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to import some lightning. You can just go ahead on Google and you can just find all of these lightnings PNG. Make sure that it's a PNG file, transparent file, so that you do not have to remove the background. So I'm just going to select some lightning over here. Now I'm not going to make this banner too much crazy with a lot of graphics over here, because on YouTube the sizing is very important. So any art that you make, it may be disturbed on the desktop or not be visible on the desktop or mobile phone. So it's just important to stick to a few very basic design theme. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all go ahead and create a new layer over here. And on this new layer, I'm just going to create a rectangle by selecting this, and I'm just going to click over here. So now this is very important. So you need to select this size 1550 by 430 pixels. And you need to select OK, and this is the size that everything, all the important information, let's suppose the writing that you are doing on your banner, you need to include it over here. I'm just going to decrease the opacity so that I know this is the safe area, as I call it. This is the safe area. You do not want to go over any important thing that you want to mention, let's suppose links or anything, your social media links. You do not want to mention them over here or over here, because this is not going to show on all devices. This is the safest area over here. All the information you can just go ahead and write over here, and if you need to design anything extra, then you can add some extra lightning or design over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and import a logo. So for this logo, I'm just going to go ahead and center this over here. I think that this is fine. Select enter. Now I'm going to write my social media links over here. You can also write your social media links, let's suppose Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So I've already written down a lot of things. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy them over here. So these are the icons. You can find these icons on flaticon.com, and you can just go ahead and change the color of these icons by double clicking over here. By default they will be black. So after double clicking, you can select this color overlay and you can select any color that you want. So I've already done this, so I'm not going to do this again. Selecting these three icons, I'm just going to go ahead and center them somewhere over here. I'm going to write some text over here now for this for the links, which is I'm pasting this text over here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and center these with the icons properly. So if you need to adjust a few things, then you can just go ahead and adjust the spacing however you want it. So if you are wondering how I wrote all of this text, then just go ahead and select a new layer and select this text icon and drop this over here, and you can type any text that you want, just like this. And you can just go ahead and select this once again, press Ctrl T, and you can resize it as much as you want. So you can place it anywhere that you like. For this text, I'm using the Montserrat font, which is easily available. And if you feel that this text is these items are a bit not aligned, then you can just go ahead and select all of your layers and icons, and then just go ahead and press this button over here, and you can just go ahead and select this. Press Ctrl T once again, and you can center this. So I think this is enough for this banner. You can add a little bit more information, but keep it within this safe area, as I already told you. This is very important because YouTube does not allow you to go beyond this for the information that you are writing. So if I were to write what my information, let's suppose what my channel is about, then I'm going to write it over here or over here. Then this will be good for all three devices. So by the way, if you are liking this video so far, then please be sure to hit that like and comment below, and please subscribe to this channel. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and unselect this, and I'm going to import this file, save as a JPG file or anything that you like. You can select the quality of your choice, and then this banner will be imported. So guys, I hope you liked this video. This was a short one, but this was really important because many people have trouble with YouTube banners. So if you want to support what I do, then there is a donation link and you can donate over there. More important content is coming soon. So thanks so much for watching.